Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are doing a full face of one brand tutorial of E.L.F. Cosmetics must-have products. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. First, we are going to moisturize the skin. So I have is the Oil Control Liquid Lotion with tea tree oil. So it's like this. I prime my lids and I apply some bronzer into my crease because this hot jalapeno one, it doesn't have like a neutral brown shade. It just have these two matte green shades and these two shimmer shades. So I had to use a bronzer off camera for the crease. So I did that off camera. So again, this is the hot jalapeno. And the brushes I'll be using today for the eyeshadows are the Melt Mint makeup brushes. This is the blending brush and this is the shader, these are the ones. So I apply bronzer to the crease. Now I'm gonna use my blending brush and I'm going to go with this green shade right here. You see this green right here, this matte green shade. I'm going. Next, I'm taking this beautiful green shimmer shade right here, which I'm going to swatch and show you how beautiful this green shade is. Oh, so beautiful. Such a beautiful shimmery green shade. And again, this bite-sized eyeshadow is called Hot Jalapeno. This is the Hot Jalapeno bite-sized eyeshadow palette. Really pretty. So I'm going to use my shader brush from the Mint Melt collection brush set. Okay, so I'm going to spray my brush a little bit to get the, because for some reason like it shows up on the brush a lot, but when you apply it, like it doesn't come out pigmented when you apply it on your lids. For eyeliner, I have is the waterproof gel eyeliner in the shade black. It is very black. I really like it. See the line? So pretty. Really like this because it's long lasting. It doesn't like smudge or whatever. I really like this liner so much. Now for mascara, I am using the Big Mood Mascara. Has a fluffy wand, which I love. It gives so much volume to lashes. I really like it. And it's definitely clump free as well. So I apply some falsies off camera. They're so pretty and whatnot. So now let's move on to the skin. So for primer, I'm going to use the Poreless Putty primer. This is absolutely, I definitely love this. Like this. I think I'll take a little bit more, but now for foundation, I'm going to use the Camo CC Cream in the shade Light 240W. But before I use it, I'm going to use to blend it out the E.L.F. Total Face Sponge. Really like it. Really like this one. Like this side I use to blend, and then I use this side for the corners. Amazing. So along with this foundation, the Camo CC cream, I am going to use these this antioxidant booster drops. You see the booster drops? So antioxidant booster drops. I have tried this like 3 times and I love the way it makes my foundation looks. So what you're gonna do is you mix this. You apply 1 to 2 drops in your foundation as you apply and whatnot. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. So this, again, this is the CC cream. So I'm just gonna apply a couple of pumps right here. See right here, sorry about that, the background. I live in New York, and you see the booster drops. So see like that, like booster drops. So I am taking like 1 to 2 drops. So 1, 2. So you can see I did 2 drops, and I just like mix it around, take behind my makeup brush and just mix it with the booster drops. Really, I really like it. It definitely makes a difference for your foundation. It's been amazing. So now I'm gonna take my Now for concealer, I'm using the Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. Shade is Light Sand. Okay, so I don't have a setting powder, so now let's move on to bronzer. So for bronzer, I have is the Putty bronzer in the shade Tan Lines. To highlight, I'm using the 24K Carat Gold highlighter. Really like this one. So pretty. Now for the lips, I'm going to use the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Praline. This one I really like for the fall and winter. It's such a beautiful brown shade color. And I'm going to swatch it right now. It's right here. Such a beautiful brown color. Love it. And it's so creamy, buttery, and then it turns to matte, but it doesn't like dry up your lips. That's what I love about their liquid lipsticks. Now to set this entire makeup, I'm going to use the Dewy Coconut Setting. This is very long lasting. I really love it. The scent of coconut is so refreshing. Really like it. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this must-have products one tutorial of E.L.F. Cosmetics. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here over here. And I'll see you in my next video.